You've been injured by a drunk driver, and even though the police showed up and charged this person with DUI, where does that leave you? Hi, I'm Erin Field. I'm a Connecticut personal injury lawyer with a statewide practice in Connecticut. I'm going to give you some information that may be helpful to you or someone you know that might be in the situation. One of the things that makes Connecticut unique is that if a person is injured and there's a criminal action pending, Connecticut will use the criminal court to enforce civil liability on the wrongdoer in that situation. This is significant because in most states in the United States, just because a criminal action is pending doesn't mean that that's going to take care of everything. A civil action must be filed in most states so that there's usually 2 lawsuits going. Now, it can be done that way in Connecticut, where if a criminal action is pending, that the person who got injured can also bring a civil action. Because how do you know if that person, the person who hit you, maybe they left a bar and you can sue the bar. And the bar isn't going to be sued in the criminal court, but the driver of the car that hit you is going to be sued both civilly and criminally. And here's why this is so significant. A person that I know got into a car accident. He was driving at a high rate of speed while he was intoxicated. He had a passenger in the car. She got injured. She got a pretty good cut above her eye, and she was a young girl, and she also got internal bleeding and hit one of her major organs on the inside of her body that caused her to be into intensive care unit for about a week. So in that scenario, the young lady filed a lawsuit against the driver of the car and against the bar, the last bar that they had gone to, where this driver was intoxicated when he was there, and she knew it because she was in his car. And she filed a lawsuit against those 2 people, and she won. But here's the significant part. During the criminal sentencing, the judge told the defendant, the drunk driver, if you can come up with the additional $20,000 to give her that her medical expenses are that you don't have in your coverage, you can do less time in jail. End of story. Well, the guy didn't have the money, so he went to jail, and he went for the period of time he was supposed to go for. And when he got out of jail, the probation department was used to enforce that $20,000 court order. And why does this matter? Because if a person's on probation and they don't comply with all the conditions of probation, they'll get violated and they can go back and serve more jail time. So if this is a situation that you or someone you know is in, give me a call and I can discuss it with you. I'm Erin Field. Thank you.